Here's how to delete all of your Threads posts using redact.dev. First, go to redact.dev and download the free app for Windows or Mac. Redact also works on iOS and Android, all from a single account. Currently, Threads deletion is available on Windows and Mac only. Install the app, open it, and create your free account. When you enter your email, Redact will send you a code to set up your account or log back in. None of your social media accounts or deletion data is connected to your email address or your Redact account. Redact is free to try for platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and Discord. Deleting Threads content requires a subscription, which also unlocks deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, and scheduled deletion. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for accounts. You can click Add Account, search and select for Threads, and then continue to connect threads. You'll be prompted to log in and authorize your account. Your login details are never seen or stored by Redact. They're sent directly from your device to Threads, just like a saved login on a browser. Everything stays local to your device. Now choose what you want to delete. Threads gives you 5 content types to target: posts, replies, quotes, reposts, and likes. Select the content type you want to clean up, your time range, or leave the filters blank for a full wipe. Redact also includes advanced filters to give you more control. You can target posts by keyword, whether or not they contain an image, or by like count. You can also use the preservation settings to protect specific content, keeping posts that contain certain keywords or images while deleting everything else. Once your filters are set, choose your deletion mode. Preview mode lets you review everything before anything is removed. Deletion mode wipes all matching content instantly, or use review and delete to manually pick posts in batches. Click Start and keep the app running while redact.dev removes your content. Redact is free to try on several platforms. With a premium subscription, you get deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, and automations like scheduled deletion, so Redact can keep cleaning up on your behalf over time.